Have you ever started a budget with all the best intentions, only to give up a few weeks later? If so, you're definitely not alone. Most people who try traditional budgeting end up quitting, and it's not because they lack discipline. The real problem is that most budgets are designed to fail. Think about it. They're often way too strict, with unrealistic limits on things like groceries or going out with friends. They completely ignore a fundamental aspect of human behavior. We are emotional beings, not robots. Willpower is a finite resource. When you've had a stressful day at work, the last thing you want to do is argue with yourself over a $10 takeout meal. That stress often leads to impulse spending, which then makes you feel guilty and want to abandon the budget altogether. The core issue is that budgeting focuses almost entirely on restriction. It tells you all the things you can't do and all the money you can't spend. There's no room for flexibility, no allowance for fun, and no plan for when life inevitably happens. It becomes a constant battle against your own desires, and that's a battle you're destined to lose eventually. So, what's the alternative? How can you manage your money without feeling like you're in a financial prison? The answer is simpler than you think. Forget the rigid, line-by-line budget and adopt a new mindset. Pay yourself first. This is a game changer. Before you pay any bills, before you buy groceries, before you do anything else, you move a set amount of money into your savings or investment accounts. The best part? You can automate this. Set up an automatic transfer for the day you get paid. That money is gone before you even have a chance to miss it. Once your savings are taken care of, the rest of your money is there to cover your fixed expenses like rent and utilities. And whatever is left over, that's your guilt-free spending money. You can use it for whatever you want, dining out, hobbies, shopping, without feeling like you're breaking a rule. You're not obsessively tracking every single penny. Instead, you're simply aware of what's in your account. This approach gives you structure without the suffocation. Remember, consistency is far more important than perfection. If you have a week where you overspend a little, it's not the end of the world. Just get back on track with your next paycheck. The goal isn't to be a perfect budgeter. It's to build a sustainable system that helps you control your money without hating the process. You can achieve your financial goals and still enjoy your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your money work for you.